Hi guys, today we are on Blender and I'm going to show you how to make a basic um, cream bottle. So let's see how to do it. So on your Blender, if you have not downloaded Blender, please kindly do download your Blender, then go to new object. So here we have a file. So we need to create a new file, general. That's where you land on this page. And on my left, I have the keys so that you can see what I'm pressing, as you can see. So let's create a new file. So to start with, let's delete these default ones. X, delete. Then we add a cylinder over here. Shift A, mesh, then cylinder. So after adding a cylinder, you can go to files again and save. Sometimes Blender keeps on hanging, so you can do auto save or you can save it yourself. Mostly I like it to save it myself when I'm not on auto save. So let's call it sample and sample. I'll save it mostly in 3D model. So save Blender file. Okay, you click on the cylinder tab to go to edit mode, or you can go to okay, let me go back to object mode. You can go here at the top, on the left top where it's written object mode, click on this arrow, then you'll see edit mode. That's another option. So when you go to edit mode, I want to select the faces. We have this over here. We have to select vertex, we have to select edge, and we have faces. So let's go to faces. I want to select these faces, so I'll start by editing the bottom face like this. So you select the bottom face, insert like this, then insert again. Then I want it to have grab to the Z like this. Let's see over there to have a realistic bottom. Then after that, I'll go to this side, E to extrude, then S to size there, then E to extrude again at the bottom like this. Then I'll E to extrude again, then size inside. You can change over here to see, then E to extrude on the lower side like this. So normally most bottles don't have a flat base, so we can size it again like this. Yeah, then we can insert and then grab to the Z. Yeah, like at least that's a realistic bottom. So let's go back to object. That's how it looks like so far. So we come here. I want to select all the faces, so Shift Alt, select all these faces, then let insert like this, then let insert again, then extrude to the bottom to the Z. You can toggle here to see what you're doing. Control Z, so extrude E, then you can size it. Let's see. Like this. So let's exclude it again, at least to be there. Then size picture looks realistic. These are not, these looks not realistic. Then insert, then grab to the z-axis like that. So that's how our inside looks like. So let's go back to solid mode. I want us to exclude this. So Shift Alt on your keyboard, exclude somewhere there. Then I want to add some loop cuts, sorry. So Control R. Let's add 4. That. So I want to exclude some faces over here. So I go to the face. Shift Alt again. I select this face. This face and this. And this face, then left click, right click your mouse button, exclude faces along normals. Let's exclude up to around there, then let's exclude faces along normals again around there. Nice. So that's how our bottle looks. We call it bottle looks like. So when you go to tab, that's how it looks. I want us to modify it. So let's go to, I'm shifting with tab to go to edit mode, and between edit mode and object mode, I'm using tab. So I want to add some bevels on this bottle. So let's add some loop cut over here. Use Control R. Then Control V to bevel. Let's two cuts like this. Nice. Then let's select this edge, Shift Alt, select, then Control B to bevel. Like that. Then you can add others over here. Control R and Control B. Control B to bevel. Can add 2 loop cuts over there. Nice. Then we can add some here. Control R, Control B. Control B to bevel. One at the bottom and one at the top. Over there, like that. Then we can add over here. Control R, Control B, like that. I want to have to be realistic, like that. And then we can add, should we add some on the inside? Yes. Control R, Control B, like that. And then, yep. Control B. So we can go to tab to go to object mode. You can see how our cylinder look like. So I want us now to create the lid. Let's go back to edit mode, select the edge, Alt, then Shift D to duplicate, then P by selection. You see we have another. So when you go to tab, we have this edge. This is what I want us to create the lead from. So let's go back to tab mode. So I want us to exclude it. Exclude to the Z somewhere there. So exclude size that, then exclude ES, then F to fill in that space. So that's how our lead look like. So we can add some loop cuts also. Control R, Control B to bevel like that. Then you can add others here. Control R, Control B to bevel like that. So let's see how to look on the object mode. That's how nice. Looks nice, looks nice. So let's continue editing. I want to hide this editor so that I can edit the lead. So we can name this, we can rename it to its lead. So when you go to tab, go to edit mode, we can hide the editor like that. So we can select this. I want to give it some modifications, so some depth in it. So let's select this edge loop over here, Shift Alt to select all of it, exclude S, then E to the Z like that up to there, then size, then ES again, then F to fill. Remember, whatever I'm pressing, it's appearing on my left side of the screen. So let's add some loop cuts. Control R, Control B to bevel like that. Control B, Control B to bevel like that. Control R. Oh no, it's not appearing. Let's Control Z to undo. So on tab mode, that's how it look. So we can bevel here a little bit. Shift Alt to select it, then Control B. Give it a bevel like that. I think that's nice. So we can hide this. So basically that's how our cream looks like. So tab mode, shade auto smooth, yeah, looks nice to me. Then select the bottom part, shade auto smooth, to me it looks acceptable. Even at the bottom side it looks realistic. There is a material over there. So I want to